Okay, so hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss on class notebook. So as you can see here in my computer desktop screen, you can see that I have opened a class, that is the demo class. So I have clicked in the general, and in the general we'll have to click the class notebook. So as we have opened for the first time, so you will get the setup of set up a OneNote class notebook. So you'll have to click here. So once you click there, you will be able to view blank notebook and from the existing notebook content. So as we are doing for the first time, we will click in the blank notebook. So you will see the page. So this is that here what we will get in our demo class notebook. So mainly there will be collaboration space, content library, teachers only section and student notebook. So first is the collaboration space where including the teachers, the students can also share their views or they can post. And next is the content library. This is only for the teacher. The teacher will post their information here. So only the students can view. They will not be able to edit. Then the teacher only section, this is a private space for teachers. For example, like in this class, if we have more than one teachers, then we can discuss the content of any topic here. So we will only be able to view, the student cannot view this content. And the last one is the student notebook. So this is the private space for the each student. So all of them, they will have their individual notebooks, so where they can edit his or her own content. So after that, we'll click in the next option. So once you click in the next option, so you will have to set up the section in the each student's private space. So by default, we will get the, along with the student's name, they will get the handout, class notes, homework, quizzes. So if you click in the plus sign, you can add more section if you require. So let me add one new section. So I will click in the plus. Then I can name this section. Let me name it project. Then I can click in the create option. So it will give you the notification that getting your class notebook ready. So after your class notebook is ready, you will get this welcome to class notebook page. So here your OneNote class notebook is a digital notebook for the whole class to store text, image, handwriting notes, attachment, link, voice, video and more. So you will be able to add any link to this notebook. You can add video, you can add handwriting notes, you can add any type of attachment. Basically, this notebook is organized into three parts. Number one is the student notebook, the content library and the collaboration space. So as you can see here in the left hand side in this arrow mark, you will have to click. So once you click there, you will be able to view the demo class. For example, like in my class here, I have only one teacher with me and one student. So I will be able to view the name of the student and the teacher here. And here we will able to distribute only the collaboration space and the content library here. So for me, as I am the owner of this demo class, so in the collaboration space, I can share my content, and in the content library also I will be able to share my materials. And here students, only one student I have here and one more teacher there. So here I can add, if I want to add something in the content library, so I'll just let me click here. So once I click there, so here you can see that using the content library. So once I click here, the content library page will come here. So we can start sharing. So I can add a new page. So let me add a new page. I have right click, the new page will come. So I can click here. So this is an untitled page. So let me give the name page project. So I have given the project name. This is project on artificial intelligence. So as for class 6, I am doing the project right now. So I will want to give some informations to all the students of class 6 regarding their project work. So the topic I have written, that is project on artificial intelligence, and I want to give the students the informations, a little bit of information on artificial intelligence. So I will go and click in the file option, then insert the file printout. We can give as an attachment also, but I want to give as a printout. Then I will click in the choose a file, because I have saved it in a Word file. So once I click there, so I can select from my desktop. So the file is artificial intelligence, then I will click in the open option. Then we will click in the insert. So as you can see here, the information that I want to share with my students in my content library, it is there. So these are the informations that I want to give to my students, and I have saved it in a Word file, and it will be attached there. Next, I want to insert a picture of artificial intelligence. So I will go and click in the picture, and from online, I will click from the online, and I will find so as you can see here, so these are the pictures. So I can scroll down. So let me select. I have selected this picture, then I will click in the insert option. So my picture will be pasted in my content library. So next I want to insert a video file. So again I will go and click in the file option, insert as attachment. So I will have to select the file. So already I have a video on artificial intelligence. So I will click the MP4 file, and I will click in the open. So as you can see here, the name of the file artificial intelligence, that is MP4, and I will click in the insert option. So as you can see here, the prompted message has come that file you insert must be less than 19 MB in size. So as my MP4 file is bigger, so I will have to upload that file as in any of the platforms, say YouTube and all, then I can share it as a link. So I will click OK option. So now As my video was larger than 19 MB, so I have uploaded in YouTube and I have got a shareable link. So I will go and click in the link option. Then I can paste the Control V. Then I can write the display text. This is artificial intelligence. Then I will click in the insert option. So as you can see here, one hyperlink, one the artificial intelligence video, the link is inserted here. So if I go and click in this video, it will direct it to the YouTube. So it will direct to the video that I have uploaded in the YouTube. So in this way we can share any link if we want to let the children see or to view any information from outer source. We can insert it so that student can click directly the link and they can view. So I have copied a Wikipedia link. So I can paste here, Control V. So I'll go to the click to the link, Control V. I can write it as reference. Then insert. So as you can see here with the reference, they can go and click in the reference and then they can view the file. So if the students go and click in the reference link, so it will direct them to the Wikipedia page. So they will be able to see the content of the artificial intelligence. Directly it will be open. I have to distribute to the students. So I will go to click in the class notebook, and here the option will get the different option that distribute the page, distribute new section, copy to the content library, and the review the student works. So let us click in the distribute page. Here I can distribute the page to all the students that is there in my class, or I can individually distribute, or as a group I can distribute. So let me distribute the page. So once I click in the distribute page, so here select the student section where you want to distribute the projects on artificial intelligence, as a class notes, as a handout, as a homework, as a project, or quizzes. So I want to give as a project. So once I click in the project, then I will click in the distribute. So it will give you the message that they distributed to the students project in the demo class notebook. So it is done.